Let's make a really quick pan of my sheet pan fajitas. These are so delicious and perfect if you love to meal plan or meal prep, and they are wildly simple to put together. Now, I actually do have a full recipe on Lara in the Kitchen and a full dedicated video to making these if you want more of an in-depth video. But you know, part of these additional videos that I've started to include in the roster here on Lara in the Kitchen is just to show you what I love to cook and eat and what we cook and eat on a regular basis. And these sheet pan fajitas are a go-to for me, especially if like I'm busy and I want to meal prep something that can be eaten in different ways. This is a really good one because I can eat it in a tortilla, make burritos, quesadillas, put it on a rice bowl, like you name it. And it starts off really simply: sliced onions, sliced peppers, garlic, and then chicken of your choice. On this particular day, I used some really nice thick chicken breast, and I sort of cut them into even pieces. You could also use chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, chicken tenders, whatever. Added all that to my sheet pan along with some salt, cumin, paprika, chili powder, oregano, all kinds of spices. You can also just do a big pinch of taco spices if you have that, like a taco seasoning if you have that, and a good amount of olive oil. And you just toss that around until coated. And make sure that you kind of layer that in a single layer, and you're gonna go ahead and pop that into the oven until it just becomes really deeply gorgeous and roasted, and it's perfect. They're easy and simple, topped with some cilantro and some lime, and they're fantastic as is with some toppings wrapped in a tortilla, or like I said, to eat on anything that your heart desires, even on top of a salad. It's delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Full recipe on larainthekitchen.com, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.